the evolution of Uniswap, an in-depth look at V4 and the BUSL. Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring an important topic in the world of software development and open source communities. We're focusing on the V4 license and the Business Source License, or BUSL, two key elements that are shaping the future of software development and distribution. Before we delve deeper, it's crucial to understand the difference between open source and source available. Open source refers to software whose source code is available for modification and enhancement by anyone. Source available, on the other hand, means the source code is available for viewing, but there may be restrictions on how it can be used. In the context of the V4 license, source available is a more accurate term. Now, let's talk about the Business Source License, or BUSL. This license is a new kind of agreement designed to balance the needs of developers and users. It's a unique choice for the community, different from other proprietary licenses, and is closer to being open source. Uniswap has evolved over the years, becoming the largest decentralized exchange protocol, processing over $1.5 trillion in trading volume. The introduction of Uniswap V4 opens up a world of possibilities for how liquidity is created and how tokens are traded on-chain. Uniswap V4 is being built in public, with open feedback and meaningful community contribution. This process is expected to take several months, and the draft code has been open-sourced for everyone to view and contribute to. Uniswap V4 introduces Vhooks, which are contracts that run at various points of a pool action's lifecycle. This allows for a high level of customization in how pools, swaps, fees, and LP positions interact. With the efficiency of Singleton and Flash accounting, fee tiers no longer need to be limited. Pool creators can set them at the level that makes them most competitive or customize them with a dynamic fee hook. V4 also brings back support for native ETH, which offers additional gas savings. It is released under a Business Source License 1.1, which limits the use of the source code in a commercial setting for up to 4 years, after which it will convert to a GPL license. The Uniswap community governs the protocol. If the community disagrees with the use of BUSL, a governance vote can be held to change to GPL at an earlier date. Uniswap V4 introduces a new level of customization. Developers can innovate on top of the Uniswap protocol's liquidity and security to create customized AMM pools. Experiments include a time-weighted average market maker, TWAMM, dynamic fees based on volatility or other inputs, on-chain limit orders, and customized on-chain oracles. Uniswap V4's core logic, like V3, is non-upgradable. While each pool can use its own Vhooks smart contract, Vhooks can be limited to specific permissions determined at pool creation. In V4, all the pools are held in one Singleton contract, providing important gas savings because swaps no longer need to transfer tokens between pools held in different contracts. This Singleton architecture is complemented by a new Flash accounting system. Instead of transferring assets in and out of pools at the end of every swap in V3, this system transfers only on net balances, meaning a far more efficient system that provides additional gas savings in Uniswap V4. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of Uniswap V4 and the Business Source License. As we navigate the evolving landscape of software development and open source communities, these developments represent exciting steps forward. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing how these changes shape the future of decentralized exchanges in the broader digital world. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Also remember to subscribe to our channel and visit us at bblabs.io for more exciting updates.